Outsystems makes it exceedingly easy to build, deploy, and manage enterprise web and mobile applications, helping IT deliver innovative business solutions fast. The Outsystems platform combines high productivity application development, standard extensible Java and .NET code generation, automated DevOps with one-click deployment and staging, and cloud, on-premises, or hybrid development and deployment environments. Let's take a look under the hood. The platform allows you to deliver and manage large application portfolios that integrate existing systems and reach millions of users. Applications are developed and changed in a fully integrated environment where you can define your application's data model, business logic, processes, and rich user interfaces for both web and mobile devices. The Outsystems platform deploys your custom applications as standard .NET or Java, so you can easily extend the applications using C# or Java code, as well as HTML, SQL, CSS, and JavaScript. And because your applications are generated for standard open development stack, they can run in the cloud, on premises, or even in hybrid scenarios. They are also fully portable, meaning you will never be locked into a proprietary cloud environment or locked into a single provider. As far as deployment and staging are concerned, all is done with a